next? How does it work? Alright. Riel from Indonesia, all the way. By all means.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for Pixel Play for the invitation for today's session. I'm very happy to be here. This is my second time at MIHAS, I think. My name is Riel Tasmaya. I'm the founder of Kapital. Kapital is an investment company that I run with a few of my partners. And then I'm also the founders of MuslimMarket.com. It's one of the biggest e-commerce, Muslim e-commerce in Indonesia. So I used to be a banker for several years, and then I think I got bored because of the routinity as a banker. And then after that, I decided to take my master degree, and it was I think 2015 when I took my master degree. And then the initial plan was to get some experience, job experience in UK at that time, but it was a subprime mortgage crisis at that time. So there's, especially for financial people, there's no room for us to get a work there. So after that, I got forced to go back to Indonesia to help a family business. I think that was the best decision that I made eventually, because I think for me, when I was a banker, I think professional work was my aim to be at the topmost level. But after I have my experience in the master degree and then in the family business, I think being an entrepreneur is much more valuable experience in what we're doing right now. So then after a few years in the family business, right, I'm running oil and gas in the oil and gas industry. And after that, 2015, I think I decided to have my own investment company. And then I have several portfolios until now. I think we have until 10 portfolios that is focusing in consumer and creative industry.
That's nice. So you're saying being an entrepreneur is more attractive by joining the corporate sector or even the government sector?
Well, I think it depends on the person itself. I'm not saying professional is bad, but it depends on if you like challenge, if you like some variety in your life, then you go entrepreneurs.
Some different flavors in your life. We do have 2 videos for Keempat Kapital.